Hi everyone and welcome to the 3ds Max and Vray Materials course. My name is Jake and together we're going to look at how we can use the Vray render engine to create some realistic materials.
The goal of this course is for us to create a base set of materials that we can use and update as required. So for example, we'll create a few wood materials and then in future you'll be able to change the texture of that material and it should be good to go. This means you won't have to start every material from scratch, and this will save you a ton of time and means you can focus on becoming a better artist. We're going to look at how we can create and use bump and displacement maps, and we're also going to look at how we can blend these materials together as well as organising them into a library. So this course is designed for people with an understanding of 3ds Max, so if you want to brush up on your skills before taking this class then please check out the Introduction to 3ds Max class. And by the end of this course you're going to have your own Vray material library that you can use for all your projects going forward. So we're going to avoid too much theory and I'm going to walk you through how to create great looking materials in the quickest time possible. So let's get going.